God.
Yeah! Hey guys, so day 2 of Victoria. So I forgot the name. That's weird. Oh, my foot's really itchy. If you just started watching, I'm not actually in Victoria. I'm making, well, when you see this, I am. But right, when I'm making the vlog, which is on August 10th, yes, I'm wearing an America shirt. Making this probably not gonna vlog at my dad's house. I have a really freaking big thing that really hurts. She said. So today I went mini golfing with my sister and her boyfriend and what's his name? Sorry, I'm just kidding. Look at this. That thing right there. Don't know what it is, it is really freaking itchy. Oh, it feels good. Oh yes, oh yeah. Yes. Yeah, so, I don't have anything else to say, but, I'm just gonna watch YouTube. I'm sorry, I haven't, actually, I'm sorry that I can't vlog in Victoria. Sorry. So yeah, my foot's really itchy, but it's all good. There's also another part of my foot that's itchy. That's weird though. There's a really different part of my foot that's like a scab or something. That's really itchy. So mom's saying one night Jamie's house with my mom's boyfriend. If you guys started watching. Because his ex-girlfriend, because they had a son together and they went to go pick him up, and she attacked him, and he wanted to fight back because, you know, it's illegal to attack a girl, or punch a girl or anything, or hit a girl. So he couldn't do anything, so he ran to his truck, and he has a giant lump on his head, and he's pressing charges against her. So, yeah. One second. Really? Yeah, so guess what I just did? Pretty good lighting out here, actually. I deleted the clip for this video, blah 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 blah. I deleted the third video. I'm not doing more than one clip for these stupid 8-minute videos now. So I have to do 2 today, 2 tomorrow, and 2 the next day. And then 1 the last day. I don't know why I'm so stupid. And I had to do that. And I did it. So I'm sorry. Really, 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 really sorry. So this wants to be 3 minutes. And I'm going for a walk to do an 8-minute video. And yeah. So I'll have to get, oh wait, no I'm not. Yeah, so I'll do that, and then it'll be all good. But tomorrow is 6 months, which is amazing. Yeah, so tomorrow, 6 months of doing vlogging consecutively. So it's really awesome for me. Hopefully it's awesome for you. And yeah. Do you remember, I don't even remember why I started these. I said 50 video, I said it was my 51st video. And I was like, I'm gonna start doing vlogging. Maybe for a week. And try a week, then maybe a month, and we'll keep going until I can do it. Well, I kept doing that for 5 months, and then I was like, I did that for actually a month. I was like, holy crap, I'm actually doing this. Then I did it for 2 months. I was like, really? I'm still going. Then 3 months, I was like, oh man, I'm on top of the world. I can't get any farther. Then 4 months, I was like, well, I was wrong. I'm amazing. That's nothing. But that was not really real. Then 5 months, I was like, holy crap, guys, how did I get this far? It does not make any sense. And then coming 6 months, I realized that's half a year. And then so another one of these on February 11th will be 1 year. 1 year. Which is really freaking amazing. Really amazing. And time after time, tell you to be there. Give me time to go. Go away. Go away. I swear. So, yeah. This is a leap year 2016, but if I'm still doing the vlog, then I'll do it for 1 extra day. Never gotten this far. 6 months. 6 months tomorrow. Holy shit. And then vlog, guys. Hopefully that comes through. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I know. It works. That was a little surprise for you guys. Not pointless, but yeah. Gotta go to school. Gotta go to school at not yet. On Monday. Today's Saturday. So one more day. One more relaxing day. And then I gotta go, but right now I'm getting some pants and some shirts. So I gotta go. I got new shoes, by the way. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Got my new, got a new plush shirt. And then I have this stuff underneath. Towers and stuff. And I got some new pants. Yeah. So, they're pretty cool. Got photos. Well, I took photos, but I'm gonna do it for photo retakes. Because my parents didn't pay, so yeah, I'm going to. Just a sweet little potato, so I got no large. I got an extra large. But, yeah. Oh, something's going down. Is he gonna die? No, it's a million guy. I still want it. It's real. It's like a beer bottle. Yeah, it's just like a beer bottle. This one's more heavier though. I'll knock someone out with these. But yeah. It's today, Sunday. Probably gonna go see my dad tomorrow or something. But I gotta do homework some today and then the rest tomorrow. And do a little bit more on Monday. And do Tuesday. So yeah. Bit. Didn't vlog much at all today. Almost 5 today. So now I'm gonna go make some dinner. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. 8. It's 8. Already sunny out. Not sure if you didn't see it. But, yeah. So I didn't vlog. Today's vlog will be way better. My dad's coming today at 7. It's gonna be fucking awesome. But yes, I think I have one more vlog for you guys. But yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.